Welcome back. This is my friend's 2013 S80T6 and today we are replacing the fuel pressure sensor or the fuel pressure regulator. Bosch made. You don't have to buy it from Volvo, it's the same part, so go the cheaper version. I got it from Rock Auto. And this is preventive maintenance because this sensor can cause a lot of issues on your Volvo. One of these symptoms would be a check engine light with a P0193 code, or you would have a stalling engine, lack of power, hesitation, all kind of problems with performance of the engine. So it's a good idea to replace it I don't know, we're just replacing it. This is the location on the fuel ramp, really easy to replace it. Just a connector and one Torx 25 screw. Let's begin. Now, underneath the glove box, there is two fuse boxes on the S80. The right one, remove the cover, and we need to pull the fuel pump fuse to relieve pressure on the ramp. This is the fuse number 13 on the S80. I did the same job on my XC70 and it was a different fuse number 22. This was back last summer. I replaced it and I never posted the video. So this is my XC70. All the information is on the back of the cover. Fuse number whatever it was. Pull it out while the engine is running, the engine will stall and this way you will relieve the pressure. By the way, you don't have to do it, not a big deal. So let's do it on the S80. The engine is idling. I'm gonna pull the 20 amp fuse and the fuel pump will cut out and the engine should stall.
Да.
And that was pretty quick. You'll need the Torx 25 with a 1/4 inch wrench. There is not much room to use a socket there, so whatever you have, whatever works for you, unscrew the screw.
Такое неуверенно оно идет. Закис, наверное. Фух. Пошел? Да, не очень это хорошо шло.
I do use a rag just to make sure I don't lose anything if it falls down. And this is the screw. Also use the rag because you're gonna be collecting escaping fuel from the line. Honestly, you can just quickly reinstall the new sensor and you're not gonna lose any expensive fuel.
Все уже не течет. Так я держу кнопку. Оставь, все уже все. Все уже.
The connector, push on the tab and pull on it.
Снимаешь?
Now, for comparison, just take a look. Identical part. Volvo part number is not there on the new sensor, but notice that the Bosch number are a little bit different, 39 and 38. Whatever it means, it still works perfect. On my XC70, let's compare a little bit different housing too, but still works as it should. So now to reinstall the new one in reverse, pretty easy. Pop it in, screw the screw back into position. Be careful not to drop anything because you're gonna lose it. Reconnect the connector and you're gonna be good to go. So definitely a good idea to replace the sensor If you've never done it and your car is already more than 10 years old and with high mileage, just for the sake of it, change the sensor. Keep the old one just in case, and this might solve and prevent many issues with your engine. Again, hesitation, stalling, not starting or long crank.
Вернем фьюз назад.
Reinstalling the fuse and the cover itself, and this completes the preventive maintenance. I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Thank you guys, and bye bye.
Да?